Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to upload media such as images, videos directly to your WordPress account. So let's get started. This is my WordPress dashboard. You will find an option called media in the left hand side. Let's go to media library. Under this section you will find all the images that are currently uploaded to your WordPress. Okay, to upload a new image to WordPress, you can either click on add now here or here. Okay, now you can drop your files directly here or select files. I'm selecting this image. So this image is uploaded. Let's check it out. So this is the image that I have uploaded. Then you can actually give an alt title. Image jobs. You can have your title, caption, description, etc. Then this is your final URL of the file. Okay, this is how the image looks like. So if you have to upload it directly to a post, go to posts and you can click on add an image there and you can directly upload from there as well.